What do you say to this? Trying desperately to calm my nerves, keep my head above the water. It's too far gone now for logic. I don't stand a chance. This scene is so surreal. I just don't stand a chance. For other shores, throw caution to the wind, and chance the current carries me towards Felicitas. They'll be waiting anxiously by the phone. Who is gonna call now? The telegraph pole is something like the Mary Rose. Standing my ground as the waves hit the wall, I don't know where to turn. Radio on, information's complicated. I don't think I'll ever understand, so I'll dismiss this out of hand. Sleeping with the radio on, and it tells me straight. Broadcasting words to draw the tide away. Sinking deep, deep, deeper, guide slipping free. Dreading the thought of friction when we meet, that's enough. Oh, the ocean is getting rough. Stuttering words fall deep, deep, deep in the car. Will you hang up? And who is there to phone when the sirens gone stronger? What do you say to this? Trying desperately to calm my nerves, keep my head above the water. Oh no, it's too far gone now for logic. I don't stand a chance. This scene is so surreal. I just don't stand a chance. As my words all conspire against me, I don't know where to turn. Sleeping with the radio on, information's complicated. I don't think I'll ever understand, so I'll dismiss this out of hand. Sleeping with the radio on, and it tells me straight. Broadcasting words to draw the tide away. Stretching for sunlight, I come up for air. I can't escape the swell, like a minnow in a maelstrom. I don't know where to turn. I don't know. Everything lost control. Floodgates burst open, sandbags won't hold. Everything lost